Alright, I just want to give you guys a quick little update that, I've been using this for how long now? Like 4 days, 5 days maybe. And, I'm happy with it. I mean, it's cool, it's productive. I've been using it all the time and it's keeping up with me. Other than the whole codec thing, like, the video codec. I like transcoding stuff or encoding stuff and Kdenlive. For some reason, it's not working right now. But, what can I say? It's still beta. Anyways, well, some good news is that, my calendar came back, which is awesome because I use that thing every day. If you press the window key and you click on your check email, it doesn't launch anything, and that's mainly because I removed my Evolution email client for something else. And hopefully they fix that, because I would assume that other people like me would want to change that, you know what I mean? So anyways, and also another thing about the text launcher, you can also search the web with it, like www.google.com, and it should launch Firefox. Takes a little bit. There it goes. So yeah, that works. Anyways, but I still prefer my other text launcher, because of me having I guess my fingers tend to fumble around and misspell things and whatever. The other one seems to do a better job, but this one works fine. It's cool. Also, if you remember my first video when I first just jumped into Unity, I had no idea how to launch two apps. If you middle click after the first one launches, so middle click, the second one launches. So that's how you do that. And also, I noticed they added little grab handles, and I'm not too sure if that was there before, but they're there now, if they weren't. But that's pretty cool. I like that. But they don't work on the web browsers though, for some reason. So hopefully they fix that too. So, I kind of wish I had that on my 1010. That's really neat. Anyways, I guess one issue I can say for myself personally is the whole like minimizing program thing. Like when you see, I got a document. This is my document folder here. So if I minimize my documents and I minimize my home folder, when you hover over the icon or right click on it, it doesn't really identify what it is or what's in there. You know what I mean? Like, I know with Windows 7, you hover over the icon that's minimized, it has a visual pop out that kind of says, hey, this is this and this is that. Kind of tells you what's what. Or if you minimize on a standard little tray, it'll tell you in different tabs. Like this is your home folder and this is your document folder. On this, it doesn't do that. And the only way I can actually get around that is just by using hotkeys. Like I said before, if you're into keyboard shortcuts, you should be fine. So if I use a hotkey and tab, which is Alt Tab, you can kind of see what's what. And there's other hotkeys that'll do the same thing. But I just kind of wish it had like a visual thing, without having to use my keyboard right away. You know what I mean? So other than that, it's cool. I'm liking it. And what else do they do? They improved on some of the compiz settings. I noticed when you would minimize the application, like this, like if I were to minimize this, before it would just shoot up to the top left. Now when you minimize, it minimizes into the icon, so it visually shows you where it's going. So that's great. That's an improvement. But other than that, it's still buggy. They're still working on it. I pretty much got the hang of it. It's good. On my laptop, I think I'll keep it. But on my desktop, I'm not too sure yet. But I want to delete this already because I want to move on to something else. I downloaded the OpenSUSE GNOME 3 desktop, and I have more hard drives for this machine, and I installed a different hard drive, and I put the OpenSUSE disk into it, and it wasn't working. So I might need to use a VirtualBox for that one. But I don't really want to do that, but if I have to, I guess I have to. But anyways, other than that, it's a thumbs up for now. It's good. Give it a shot. But oh yeah, I'm gonna be leaving town for a couple days, so I probably won't be posting videos for maybe like 4 days maybe. So until then, you guys take care.